Check it out, our metal storage cart has come in. Now we were sent this at no cost so we can do this review, but let's take this thing out of the box, put it together, and try it out. All right, here's the pieces out of the box. There are quite a few pieces here, but they're larger pieces, so they look like they're gonna go together pretty easy. The manual isn't that thick, so it should be fine. Everything has letters, and the manual has illustrations, so it looks like it's gonna be a pretty easy put together, but let's go ahead and do it and let you know how it was. By the way, it does come with the tools needed to put it together, so you don't have to have your own toolkit. You just need that screwdriver and that little wrench right there, and you can get it all put together. All right, and here it is all put together. So this is what we've got going on in here. We've got two hanging file folders here, so you can kind of see how you can lay these out. These are normal size, these are not legal size. So there's this bar that goes across here that lets you put in, like if you want to do legal size. If you want to do the regular size, you can definitely do it this way, but regular size will fit like this, going long ways in the cart. And then if it's legal, you've got this bar here. So the bar just kind of sits there and gives you a holding point. And if it was legal, you know, you'd have to turn them this way and it would go, you know, back this way on the cart. But anyway, so it does have the ability to do regular size folders or legal. Now, if you're not going to use this as a filing cabinet at all, well, you could just take all that out and now you just have a cart that's got a nice lid on it. It does, it can come with the key attached to it. I haven't taken that off yet. I also have not taken off the stickers yet, just so I can show that, you know, it did have stickers for everything. It was very easy to put together. This comes up all the way and then lets you close it. And then of course you can even lock it. And if you want to use the inside, you just lift this up. The door here has this like sliding section on it here, and it's even got these kind of like spring loaded so it doesn't slam. There's these little tabs that come up, so it handles it nice and quiet when you're opening it up. Then of course you'd have all the inside of that to use. It does have this nice handle right here that is definitely sturdy enough to pull this around. You've got the tray down here on the bottom if you need to put stuff there, and it does have two locking wheels. So it does roll all around and you can lock it. But yeah, a neat little cart that's got many different purposes. So you can move your files around with you. You know, if you have a lot to file, again, you can lock it with the lock up here. And if you don't, you know, you want to use this as just a card or a serving card or any kind of little, you know, office cart, well, it does great for that too. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.